How's it going, guys? This is Kyle with Dirt Bike Channel here. Showing you some footage of a ride I went on last week with the 2020 Beta 300RR Race Edition. Yes, this is a sweepstakes bike. I will be doing a full review on this bike, but you can get entered to win this thing. All you have to do is head to my website, dirtbikechannel.com right now. Every $5 you spend gets you entered to win this bike and 2 other bikes that I'm giving away. You got to do it before June 15th. I use these sweepstakes to help fund the reviews for the bike. So instead of me losing money on every one of these reviews, this is a way for me to basically pay for future reviews. So that's what I'm doing right here. You can see that I'm actually following, it might be hard to see, I'm actually following a Sherco. So we're out riding a Beta and we've got a Sherco. They're both 300 two-strokes. Kevin up in front is riding that Sherco 300 SE Factory, and I'm riding the Beta 300RR Race Edition. And at this point, we've revalved the Beta so that it's just handling like a dream now. It's handling so much better than it did when it was stock. It's just more compliant and just doing more what I want it to do. Cool thing is we've got it now where we're using most of the stroke, but I'm not bottoming out. And I like to ride deeper in the strokes on these bikes just so that I can use more of that, more of the travel there. I'm not doing like, these huge 40-foot doubles or triples or whatever, 80-foot triples, so I don't need the suspension to be that stiff. I want to use more of it, and now we've got the bike doing that. I look at this trail though, and I'm like, man, this was so fun to just kind of follow Kevin. He mentions at the bottom that it was like doing a slalom run on, on dirt bikes, and it's just so much fun to get up in this stuff.
I love this type of single track riding. This is literally so fun. Got Kevin in front of me on his Sherco 300 SE Factory, I believe is what he's on. And I'm on the Beta 300RR Race Edition. And we're just having a blast. Eating up the trail. That was good.
That's fun.
It's been a while since I've been able to be that close behind someone in the mountains.
Yeah.
Because give that a couple more weeks and then it'll just be a dust bomb.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That was sweet.
Yeah, it's like downhill slalom a little bit.
Yeah. This is exactly what I was just talking about with the forest ranger. I did a podcast yesterday with the Forest Service guy. I talked about this exact scenario.
Oh.
If he falls down in the trail, you could take 2 minutes to clear it.
Right.
I should have left my camera going. I always stop it. But like it doesn't take very long. And then people aren't going around it.